No hooks required. Put the tabs directly through the curtain rod. Place each tab over the rod in sequence for a quick and hassle-free setup. No hooks required. Attach the back tabs directly to the curtain rod. Align and place each tab onto the rod in sequence for effortless installation. No hooks required. Insert the rod through the pre-sewn pocket. Pass the rod through the pocket for simple and efficient installation. Flat hooks are hung with 3-inch adjustable plastic hooks. Insert the plastic hooks into the slots on the back tape of the curtain header. Spacing of the hooks should be based on the width of your order and the desired fullness. The hooks allow for continuous circular adjustment from top to bottom. No hooks are needed. Simply slide the grommets directly onto the curtain rod. Installation is quick and easy. Pass the grommets through the rod one by one. We provide the hook accessories with your purchase. The hook belt hanging method in the 4-in-1 header, use the provided metal hooks. Start by inserting the first hook into the third pocket. Place additional hooks every 12 in. The clip ring hanging method in the 4-in-1 header, use the provided clip rings. Begin by snapping the first ring in the 1.5-inch position. Place additional hooks every 12 in. The 3-inch rod pocket method is easy to hang. Simply thread your curtain rod through the 3-rod pocket seam. No hooks are needed for back tab installation. Align and place each tab onto the rod in sequence for effortless installation.